Remove the head from the top of the pressure vessel. Remove the internal white plug from the top of the internal distribution system. If you have the standard vessel only, remove the white polystyrene cap, or if you have the complete vessel, unscrew the head from the vessel, then remove the riser tube from the head by gently twisting and pulling to separate the components. Place the riser tube into the vessel. Position the resin funnel over the internal distribution system. If not, ensure the end of the riser tube is covered. Cut the media bag open in one corner to allow for easy pouring. We have a wide range of resins available, but for today, we are using SRDI. The vessel should be filled based on the intended media being used. For carbon, we recommend 100% filled, and for resin, 80%. Remove the resin funnel and reinsert the plug into the top of the internal distribution system. Place the white gasket over the center tube. Ensure this is fully engaged to produce a watertight seal. Insert the pipe adapter into the pressure vessel head. Wipe away any excess resin from the vessel threads before screwing the head on to the pressure vessel hand tight. If you have the standard vessel only, fit the required head and upper screen to the vessel, ensuring the O-ring is placed correctly and the center locates over the riser tube.